My video is on. Okay. Here power failure is there. Okay. In between power failure will be there. Then you can continue.
Now mute.
Okay, where?
Now can I mute? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, dears.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
We need to take. Ma'am.
We are going to write the test. Okay.
Mama, I just don't know.
Okay. We are starting only. Okay. Take your book for writing test. Okay.
This is the last class. Book?
First question. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First question.
Ma'am.
एक वर्ष में कितने महीने होते हैं? You don't write the question. Okay. Only write the answer.
We should write the answer in sentence.
Oh.
We should write the answer in sentence or one word.
Write in sentence. Okay. एक वर्ष
Ma'am,
में
what is the first question?
First question. एक वर्ष में
questions?
No need to write the question. एक वर्ष में
Ma'am, what is the first question?
कितने
एक वर्ष में कितने महीने होते हैं?
महीने होते हैं?
I mean to write the question. Ma'am, we need to write the question. No. Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रविवार के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है?
Ma'am, should we write in sentence?
Yes. Write in sentence. The exam also you have to write in sentence. Okay. Otherwise you will not get full mark. Okay. Write in sentence.
Ma'am, finish.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. पेड़ से हमें क्या क्या मिलते हैं? पेड़ से हमें क्या क्या मिलते हैं? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. पेड़ डैश को स्वच्छ बनाते हैं. पेड़ डैश को स्वच्छ बनाते हैं.
Ma'am, for the first question, should we write only the answer?
Only the answer.
Fourth question.
Fourth question only answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. विशेषण शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. विशेषण शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. Okay. You have to choose the विशेषण शब्द. Okay. मीठा दूध, काला कोयल.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the fourth one we should write the sentence.
No, write only answer.
Ma'am, in this sentence we need to write sentence also.
Question answer you have to write in sentence. Okay. The exam it is must. Okay. Sundar.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have write meeta doodh. We should write that.
No, only write the answer. विशेषण शब्द only choose. सुंदर लड़की, लाल टमाटर, लाल टमाटर. Choose the विशेषण शब्द. Okay. Question number 3.
Ma'am, which
सही क्रिया शब्द चुनकर वाक्य पूरा करो. सही क्रिया शब्द, क्रिया
which all
शब्द.
chapters are in the shape in the test?
Oh,
Which all chapters are in the test?
this is first two chapters. For exam, 4 chapters.
First 2 chapters. Okay.
This is first 2 chapters. First 2 chapters means this terms first 2 chapters. चुनकर
Ma'am,
लिखो.
8 and 9.
Yes. चुनकर लिखो. लड़का पुस्तक डैश है.
Ma'am, should we write the heading?
No. If you want, you can write it. Okay. खाता.
Ma'am, for that second one, what you have to do?
Second one. विशेषण शब्द. Write the विशेषण शब्द from this. खाता, पढ़ता.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up?
Yes.
Ma'am, meeta doodh is one word.
Write the विशेषण शब्द. Adjective. You have to choose the adjective. Okay.
Ma'am, could you send chapter 8 notes?
Chapter 8 notes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I do not get chapter 9 notes.
I sent already.
Ma'am, we all get
So,
She has sent the
Ma'am, I need chapter 9 notes.
chapter 8 and 9.
8 and I sent it already.
No, ma'am.
Nobody got.
I do not got. Yes,
I got.
Ma'am, got.
Chapter 11. You send the notes. Chapter 11.
Ma'am,
Yes. Which all you want? You come to WhatsApp. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
I will send it.
Notes. I have a doubt. Chapter 11. I have a doubt.
Yes. One at a time.
Ma'am,
Now,
I have a doubt.
ah,
Can you read the first question of Priya?
first question. Question answers. First question.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you read the third one's first question?
Yes. लड़का पुस्तक dash है. खाता पढ़ता. Then Felix. Felix, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, what's the meaning of data?
Khata means to eat. Khata. Okay. Felix, ask me the doubt.
Ma'am, the third one we should write only answer.
Yes, only answer.
Ma'am, is meeta dudh one?
Meeta dudh, you have to choose the Visheshan adjective from this. Okay. Huh? Only write that adjective. Second question. Oh, sure.
Ma'am, I finish, ma'am.
Okay, to finish. Okay. Ma'am, I finish. Okay.
Whatever it is.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of meter?
Meeta means
can
sweet.
you scroll a bit up? Sweet.
Meeta means sweet. Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
1 minute. Pit.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Manu. School. Dash. Hey. Manu school. Dash hai. Jata.
Means after, right?
Jata. Sota. Yes.
Bad means after.
Baad means after.
Ma'am, what is jata?
Jata means to go.
Jata and sota.
Sota, sleep. Sona, sleep. Sota, sleep. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
Ma'am, can you read fourth one?
Fourth question. This one.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
पेड़
sota?
dash को स्वच्छ बनाते हैं.
Sota and sleep. Sleep. Sleep.
Yes. Sota, sleep. Jata, go.
Ma'am, jata means work. Jata means go.
Go. Go.
Ma'am, what is gata?
Ghata.
Jata.
Jana means to go. Go. Sona means to sleep.
Ma'am, khata. That
Khana means to eat. Eat. Padana means read. Okay. Next question.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of jata and sota?
Jana means to go. Jata hai. To go. Sota means sleep. Okay.
No.
You need to write question. Only answer. Jata, go. Okay. Sota, sleep. Okay. Got it?
Ma'am, you write padutta.
Eh?
You write padutta. Not padina, you write padutta.
Padta.
Haven't you heard padutta?
Padta. Padta means read. Ghata, eat. बच्चा दूध. बच्चा.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
Okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
can you scroll a bit up?
Ma'am.
Can you step a bit
Shut
down?
up.
What's the meaning of jata?
Jata go.
Jata go.
It is very difficult.
Ma'am. Ma'am, the विशेषण शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. Should we write the question or just the answer?
Just answer.
Ma'am,
Okay, it's enough. Children,
Accept
it's
the
enough.
question answers, write the answers. And what is the third question? Third.
Question number, बच्चा दूध dash. बच्चा दूध dash है.
And what is the bracket words?
Bracket words, you have to choose the verb. These all are verbs. You have to choose and write the correct
Not
word.
that man, the third one. Bacha
Write
do
विशेषण
that.
शब्द. विशेषण शब्द. Choose. From this you have to choose विशेषण शब्द. Okay.
And not that. The third one, no.
Third one.
Sahi kriya shabd.
And third one
क्रिया शब्द.
Third one, where is the bracket words?
बच्चा दूध.
I will give now. पीता खाता. पीता means what?
Drinking.
Drink. खाता eat.
Eating.
One more question is there. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 4, you have to make the प्रश्न बनाओ.
Ma'am, what is प्रश्न बनाओ?
प्रश्न means question. Make the question. प्रश्न बनाओ. Make the question. Okay. Yeah. फूल है. Yeah, फूल है. You have to make question with क्या. Okay. Second question. पिताजी रात को आते हैं. पिताजी रात को आते हैं. आते हैं. You have to make question with कब. कब means when.
Ma'am, we should write the question of प्रश्न बनाओ.
प्रश्न में now you have to make the question. Question is the
Not
answer.
that.
So you have to write the question.
That you need
Ma'am, we
to
should
write the
No.
answer.
No. Only answer.
Answer banao.
Only right answer. Okay. If फूल है, you have to make question with क्या. क्या means what?
And we need to write that.
No.
फूल है.
No. Second one, पिताजी रात को आते हैं. Make the question with कब. कब means when. Okay.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of पिताजी रात को
पिताजी. What is the meaning of पिताजी?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of
पिताजी father. रात को.
Night.
आते हैं. आना to come. पिताजी father comes at night. Okay. पिताजी रात को आते हैं.
Ma'am,
What's the meaning of pita?
Oh,
to drink.
What is the meaning of jata?
खाता means eat, to eat.
Ma'am, second one.
पिताजी रात को आते हैं.
Ma'am, what is the second one?
This one.
No, ma'am. That mistake.
Make the question. पिताजी रात को आते हैं.
No,
Make-
ma'am.
Ma'am, second one, meeta, doodh, like that.
Meeta, doodh, finish. Third one, this one. This is second one.
What we should do? Meeta, doodh, kala, koyal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Choose the Visheshan Shabd. Adjective. You have to
Excuse
choose
me,
the
ma'am.
adjective. Yes. Yes, ask. Ask. What is the doubt?
Meeta.
Meeta means sweet. Sweet. Kala means black. Koyal means cuckoo. Doodh means milk. Sundar means beautiful.
Down. Ma'am, only
Ladki.
this much.
No, one more. Two more question. Lal,
Ma'am, can you
red.
scroll a bit down?
Roll it down or up?
Ma'am, down.
Then I have to write some more question. Two more questions.
Ma'am, is this question?
Ma'am, I can't see that pizza, giraffe.
Everybody can hear me.
Everybody can see.
1 minute. Okay, after writing the
Ma'am, now it
question.
is okay.
Ma'am, this is enough.
After writing the question, I will do that. Okay. Because any time power failure will be there.
Ma'am, get out.
Third question. Meera gati hai. Meera gati hai.
And what is the meaning of Meera Gati hai?
Meera. Meera is a name. गाती है गाती कोयल मीठा गाती है अर्थ क्या है गाती सिंगिंग मीरा गाती है you have to make question with the con con means who okay
Ma'am,
yes
what we are doing in this
you have to make
is this
make questions
the
I will say the example यह एक पेंसिल है यह क्या है okay
okay ma'am
then second one माधा जी सुबह आती है then question will be माधा जी कब आती है then लड़का जाता है जाता है okay then one more is there मेज पर किताब है
Ma'am, I have said
Wait.
fourth one I will write here okay
Okay, ma'am.
मेज पर किताब है किताब क्या है
Book.
हाँ किताब है you have to make question with कहा मेज पर पेंसिल है पेंसिल कहाँ है
Ma'am, what is the third one meaning?
third one मीरा गाती है मीरा sings
What is the meaning of fourth one?
fourth one मेज means table टेबल पर किताब है
Ma'am,
book is on the table
Ma'am, finish.
finish okay
Ma'am, could you send the notes of chapter 9?
yes
Ma'am, will you send?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, will you send this revision?
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit down?
What is the? I can't hear. What is the meaning of third one?
third one this one मीरा गाती है मीरा sings okay मीरा is singing मीरा sings okay मीरा गाती है गाना means sing.
What is the meaning of kaha?
कहा means where where
Ma'am,
yes
what we should do? Meeta, kala, koyal.
विशेषण adjective choose the adjective from that
Ma'am,
विशेषण शब्द adjective yes Nailika say
ma'am, fourth one. How to write it?
fourth one this last fourth one
Yes, ma'am.
मेज पर किताब है. मेज means table. मेज पर किताब है. Book is on the table. Book is on the table.
Ma'am, finish.
Bracket
Ma'am, can you
kaham.
read the bracket?
Kaham. Kaham means where. Okay. Kaham.
Third one bracket.
Ma'am, I finish.
Third one मीरा गाती है.
Count.
ब्रैकेट कौन. सेकेंड वन पिताजी रात को आते हैं. कब. फर्स्ट वन एक फूल है. क्या. ब्रैकेट.
Ma'am, finish.
फिनिश. ओके. Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you read the last question?
Last question. मेज पर किताब है. मेज. मेज means table. Okay. मेज पर किताब है. ब्रैकेट कहाँ. Then
Ma'am, I finish.
answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you say the second question of first one?
मीठा दूध.
Not that.
This
ma'am.
one.
Before that, question answer.
Before the question answer.
Question answer.
Question answer. Okay.
रविवार
one.
के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? Oh,
Okay.
she asked for what is
Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
First question एक वर्ष. Can I answer?
Yes.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक वर्ष में कितने महीने होते हैं. उत्तर बताओ.
एक वर्ष में 12 महीने होते हैं.
12 महीने होते हैं.
12.
12 महीने.
12 is the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, is it 12?
12. This is the answer. Okay. Second one. रविवार के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है.
रविवार के बाद सोमवार आता है.
सोमवार. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. पेड़ से हमें क्या क्या मिलते हैं.
पेड़ से हमें आदि मिलते हैं.
What is the second one answer?
सोमवार. This is सोमवार.
Ma'am, what's the spelling?
सोमवार.
Okay.
This is third one. Okay. Third one.
Lakadi. Ma'am, what about Dadi? What about Dadi?
को स्वच्छ बनाते हैं. पेड़. वातावरण. Then you need that paid chapter notes.
No, ma'am. Yes.
If any other chapter notes you need, you can come in WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Send a hi. Your name I will send it. Which chapter you need.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Oh.
I have a doubt.
Ask.
शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. That means मीठा दूध.
विशेषण शब्द चुनकर लिखिए means choose the adjective words. मीठा दूध. In this two word, one is noun and one is adjective. Okay. You have to choose the adjective.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now understood. Okay. Next question. विशेषण शब्द चुनकर लिखिए. Answer which मीठा दूध. Which is the विशेषण शब्द? मीठा. मीठा is the विशेषण शब्द. दूध की विशेषता बताते हैं. मीठा. ओके. दूध क्या है. दूध मिल्क. कोयल की विशेषता बताते हैं. Which is the answer?
Kala.
काला. Yes. Then सुंदर. Okay. लड़की सुंदरी है. सुंदर. टमाटर लाल है. लाल is the विशेषण शब्द. Okay. Okay. This one. लड़का पुस्तक खाता है और पढ़ता है.
पढ़ता है.
पढ़ता है. मानो स्कूल जाता है और सोता है. जाता है.
Manu is eating pustak. Felix mute.
Okay, next one. बच्चा दूध पीता है और खाता है. पीता है. Okay. Then next one, make the question. Okay. एक फूल है. What is the question?
यह क्या है?
क्या है? Okay.
यह क्या है?
यह क्या है? क्या है? पिताजी रात को आते हैं.
पिताजी कब आते हैं?
पिताजी कब आते हैं? पिताजी सेकंड वन. पिताजी कब आते हैं? नेक्स्ट वन. मीरा गाती है.
कौन गाती
है? कौन गाती है? कौन गाती है? देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेज पर किताब है.
मेज पर क्या है?
जो मैं क्वेश्चन थी कहाँ मीन्स वेयर. हाँ, किताब कहाँ है?
किताब का
किताब कहाँ है?
and how much is the mark?
Ma'am, how much?
Out of 10.
मैम
Out of 10.
मैम
Yes.
इसका हम पर किताब है करेक्ट.
Oh,
इसका हम पर किताब है.
it is not correct.
ओके मैम.
मेज पर कहाँ है? Okay. मेज पर कहाँ है? Okay. I will ask you another question. पेड़ पर चिड़िया है. मैं क्वेश्चन.
चिड़िया कहाँ?
चिड़िया कहाँ है?
चिड़िया कहाँ है?
Then
मैम can you scroll a little bit down?
scroll down.
Yeah, I have a pop-up the fourth question.
Fourth question. मेज पर किताब है. किताब कहाँ है?
That यह फूल है आंसर.
हाँ.
I can scroll a little bit up. Ma'am,
It's okay.
यह फूल है आंसर.
It's okay. एक फूल है आंसर. यह क्या है? Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up, down?
Enough. Little more down. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only one more minute, ma'am.
Only one more minute. Children, study well. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All the questions, all the meanings, opposites, everything is study because multiple MCQ is there now. All questions will be there. Study well. Okay. All the best.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
धन्यवाद,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
धन्यवाद
ma'am. Bye.